Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Turbotax account in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one at all. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first step is going to be to go to the Turbotax website. So go ahead and open a web browser and navigate to the Turbotax website. The website is right there on the screen, so go ahead and type that in. And once you're in, you're just going to click on sign up. So in the top right corner of the page, you're going to click on the sign up button. Next, you're going to need to enter a valid email address that you will use to log into your Turbotax account. And once that's done, you're going to create a password. So go ahead and create a password for your Turbotax account. Be sure to make it a unique password, and be sure to save that somewhere just so you don't end up forgetting. Next, you're going to provide personal information. So go ahead and provide your personal information, including your name, address, and a couple of other details. And once that's done, you're going to verify your email by clicking on the link that's going to be sent to you by Turbotax. So once you have the link sent, go to your email, click that. It's going to redirect you back to the website, and you basically verify your email address. And next up, you're going to set up a security question. So go ahead and set up the security questions to help you, better protect your account. But once that's completed, you basically created your Turbotax account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a Turbotax account in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.